Bronchi are the airways that begin at the inferior end of the trachea. They are lined with pseudostratified columnar epithelium and supported by hyaline cartilage. The primary bronchi enter each lung and then branch extensively from there, becoming smaller in diameter as they branch. The bronchioles are the small diameter bronchi consisting of smooth muscle within their walls. This gives them the ability to change diameter, like the muscular arteries, in order to control airflow. There are about 1,000 bronchioles per lung. Leading to the microscopic clusters of air sacs where gas exchange occurs are the respiratory bronchioles, the smallest diameter of the bronchi. These, along with the alveoli clusters, function in gas exchange as they are extremely thin and they are associated with dense capillary beds. They also function to take air to and from the alveolar ducts and the alveolar sacs. Figure 22.10 shows the terminal bronchioles connecting to the respiratory bronchioles. The respiratory bronchioles give rise to the alveolar ducts, which bring air to and from the gas exchange clusters called the alveolar sacs. The alveolar ducts from the previous diagram are composed of smooth muscle, as all of the bronchioles are, and they function to connect the respiratory bronchioles to the alveolar sacs. The alveolar sacs simply refer to the clusters of alveoli. The alveoli, or alveolus if we are referring to a single one, are the extremely thin microscopic air sacs that possess dense capillary beds on their surface and function in gas exchange. There are approximately 300 million alveoli across both lungs, and because of how small they are, give the lungs a massive surface area for which gas exchange occurs. The actual surface area is somewhere on the order of 800 square feet. Physiologically, a high surface area is extremely beneficial as it makes for more efficient gas exchange when compared to a low surface area. The alveolar sacs are composed of individual alveoli. Alveolus is the singular form of alveoli. Notice that their surfaces are covered by a high density of capillaries, allowing for very efficient and effective gas exchange. Internally, the alveolar pores allow air to distribute itself evenly between all of the alveoli within the lung.